Hey guys, Street Stance Silver Garage. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. It's free. You can unsubscribe at any time, but please subscribe whether you like our enduro races or our hot challenges or my how-to videos.
That is on.
Or me just building this 1,000 horsepower Civic right here that I'm standing in the engine bay of. Remember, at 1,000 subscribers, I'll be getting pepper sprayed and tased at the same time. So please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you guys don't miss anything. And let's get on with today's video. What is up, YouTube? Justin here with another episode on our 600 horsepower B series build. So we've got the whole head cleaned up. We got our valves lapped. So we're getting ready to install our valve guide seals. Our valve seals. We actually got two sets of seals here, and there's the number on it. These are the exhaust seals. These are from Supertech, and this is your intake. They depict by the 5, the .5i, that's intake from Supertech, and then like this one is .5e, that's the exhaust side. So you can't really get them mixed up. Exhaust are blue, intake are brown. So what you actually have to do is install your bottom spring retainer first. So what you want to do is you want to install that and have it sitting on there just like so. That way, because once you put your valve seal on, this doesn't come all up. It actually locks it down. So let's set you guys up here. We're going to set you guys up here, and then that way you guys can see everything that I'm doing. And this will be a real quick video, guys, so I'll get right back to you. Okay, guys, so I hope you guys can see all of you can't see all of them, but you can see most of these. So like I said, first thing is we got to put our bottom spring retainers on. So we'll put them on each and every one of these real quick. Make sure they're all on, that way we don't forget none. We'll even put them over here on the intake side. This is the exhaust side, this is the intake side. So like I said, all these have been cleaned with a wire brush, brake clean. Everything's clean going into here. Just shove them all down, make sure everything's shoved down so nothing gets in a bind. Okay, so now we are on the exhaust side. Okay, these are the exhaust valve guide seals. So let's see. So, gonna need a number 10 millimeter. Okay, so I hope that's it. Goes on. Okay, putting it in the 10 millimeter socket and holding it because it will fall out of there. So just hold that. Then I got a dead blow hammer here. It's like a 1 pound hammer. This is a really light one for light duty stuff. We'll get these all on here.
too, I guess. Set them all down on here. Alright, all the exhaust seals are in. Spin this around here. Now this is the intake side. So like I said, the intake side is an I on the part number. So we'll pull these ones out. I guess we just go ahead and stick them on there. I'm just gonna do one at a time here. It seems like they're I wanna stay straight. Okay, that's that one. Okay. There it is. Wasn't seating properly. Didn't seat all the way, I guess. Let's see here. Okay, looks like it's all the way down. Double check it. Okay, get this last one on. Little crooked. Everything looks good. Alright, I'll take you guys off of this real quick. Alright guys, so if that helped you guys install your valve seals, please let me know. Hit the like, subscribe, share, helps my channel grow. But here they all are. This is all the exhaust. They're all in. And then there's all the intake. All those are in. Everything looks good. Everything went good. So guys, like I said, this is just going to be a short video. So stay tuned for our next video coming up very shortly. Thanks guys.